Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your photo on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the first option at the upper side of the screen, the Edit Photo option. Now you can select a picture from your gallery and you can use different features and function. You can use age chance, you can add sky effects to your picture, and you can adjust different settings, for example the brightness, exposure, and more, and you can crop and you can add different filters. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.